Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 27th of November, 2018. Weather, high is 32 degrees today, low tonight of 26 degrees. There is a 20% chance of snow or rain. Our PBS focus is the playground this week. Actually, I should say bus, I believe. So stay seated on the bus at all times. That means at all times other than when you're getting up to leave the bus. Keep your body inside the bus. This time of year, you want to make sure those windows are up anyway. It's cold. Keep your feet on the floor, and then report all problems to the driver. Remember to be responsible. Remember to be respectful while you're on the bus. This Thursday, the superintendent and the Board of Education will be visiting. Please make sure that you greet them. Say, hi, how are you? Hi, Superintendent Kane. And then I'll let you know which board members are coming as well. Our lunch today, we're looking at terrific taco, flour tortilla or taco shell, shredded iceberg lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded Mexican cheese, red grapes, and crunchy baby carrots. And then tomorrow we're looking at 4 meat pizza or cheese pizza, green beans, pears, and of course those crunchy baby carrots. A couple of announcements. December 7th is a half day for students. Our PBIS reteach is this Friday, so teachers, please check your schedule. Walking to school during bad weather, make sure that you're being very cognizant of how you're walking to school, and especially if you're crossing 10th, make sure that you're using the crossing guards. Also a reminder that tomorrow is STEAM Night, which is sponsored by Title I. It is tomorrow from 6 to 7 p.m. And then our Pledge of Allegiance today. Here's another challenge for you. This flag was raised as a part of World War II. You need to be able to tell me the location of this flag raising. All right, so here we go with the pledge. If you could please stand. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty. With liberty and justice for all. I apologize for that. As always, those are all of our announcements this morning. Please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!